Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to edit your hometown on your Facebook page. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to update this personal detail on your page. To get started, open the Facebook app and log in to your account. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and select Pages from the menu. Next, switch to the specific page where you want to edit your hometown by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen. Choose the page you wish to switch to. Now, tap on your page's profile picture. Then, click on the edit icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Edit Your About info at the bottom of the screen. Under Places Lived, locate the pencil icon next to your hometown. Click on it to edit this information. Make the desired changes to your hometown information. Finally, tap Save at the bottom of the screen to save the updated hometown on your Facebook page. Congratulations! You have successfully edited your hometown information on your Facebook page. Your page now reflects the accurate details about your place of residence. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in customizing your Facebook page with your hometown. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tutorials.